Hey, Keller Williams Fairfax Gateway, it's Rick on this beautiful Friday morning. I'm so excited, and I want to remind you about Monday at 11:30, our Rookie Town Hall Luncheon. We want everybody that's been in the Market Center less than a year to come on out, have some lunch with me and the ALC, and Lauren's going to be there. We want to hear what we're doing good. We want to hear on what we need to improve on, maybe the type of training that you're not seeing or would like to see more of. We just would like everybody to be there so we can share what's going on in the Market Center. Also, some of you are doing some incredible things as brand new agents. So make sure that you come out, RSVP Lauren or Shannon, let them know you're going to be here Monday at 11:30 so we know how much food to have, and we hope to see you all there. And you have a great month today.